Good morning, pack leaders. This is him, friends. Alright, protecting families by protecting the pack. Today I want to give you guys a XBTUSD Bitmex setting that's currently trading well. So currently, since of today at 4 in the morning, it's already made 17% ROE on a 10x leverage using 6,000 contracts and a time interval of 1 minute. Now I am tuning every hour, so just be aware of that. Currently, it's in a position of 5% ROE, and it's just racking its way up. So far, I probably made about $110 since this morning, off of 6,000 contracts at 10x leverage. So here's the settings. Try it out for yourselves. Indicate consensus. Check this and this. Intervals 1 minute. Yes, it's pretty. That's what it tuned it to be. Make sure this is there, 0.001. I've been experimenting, so anything positive is good to go. And there it is, Bollinger Bands, 41, 1.4, 2.1, TIMA, all unchecked, RSI, 340, 377, 724, 2. For MACD settings. Pause the video if you need to take the time and run this. This is current as of 9 o'clock this morning. It is 9:55 a.m. So it just got into a trade about 10 minutes ago and already profited. Okay, go ahead and try this out as soon as you get this video. Make sure that you have maker and cancel and long no position on the map sell signals, 10x leverage. This is on a live wallet. Okay, make sure you put everything as is, double check all your work, and go from there. Okay, now the tuner is able to kind of decide where to go long or short depending on when it gets out of position, and it kind of show you the profile here. So it's just kind of say, hey, you know, buy, sell, buy, sell. Okay, and it's already on its way up. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you want to get access to the tuner, it's in the link below, and let me know how well you guys do. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you then.